captain speaking. I regret to inform you that we developed a technical problem with the engine. As we look into the issue, for your safety, fasten your seatbelts immediately. Fasten your seatbelts! Fasten your seatbelts! Captain, we're forced to make an emergency landing. All passengers assume the brace position. Keep the brace position. Brace, brace, brace position. Brace, brace. Cabin crew, evacuate, evacuate. Release seat belt. Take and wear the life vest. Life vest under your seat. Inflate only when leaving the aircraft. Leave all your belongings. Evacuate using the exits closer to you.
The closest exit is on the other direction. That way!
This exit seems blocked. Check the other one.
Come this way. 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 Come, go to the end. Sit down. Come this way. Go to the end. Sit down.
Don't slow down the others. Come here and sit down near us.